Continuing with the sketch of the imported points, we can see some of the features of the same. For example, the features here are crowded together. The MDT vision command enables us to establish the display of all the elements comprising TCP MDT, and more specifically, the points. We can activate each tab of the different features of these points within the points. Activating and using the code enables us to view the point code. It is not visible here due to the fact the point text is too big. One way of dealing with this is to use the change of scale that is also available on the Points, Change Scale menu. As we have said previously, although changing the height of the text or the value of the scale may modify both the scale of the bases and the points, this does not change the scale of the point cloud, but the height of the texts to ensure they are legible in accordance with this scale. We repeat the scale command, and the features are now clearly more visible in areas with a greater concentration of points. Well, let us continue to address other notions on the use and display of points by going to the MDT vision command, where we can change the format of both this and the MDT points change format drop-down menu, in which we can change the display format in a global manner involving all the points in accordance with the MDT levels or in accordance with groups of points we have defined, where we can select all the points of a selection of points in the window with all the MDT criteria available in the search feature. Let us execute an example, changing the point groups in accordance with their head and foot slope codes in order to change the style of presentation afterwards. We go to MDT Points Group, where the points stored under the last selection we conducted will appear by default. However, we are going to use a new set we will name Head Slope, and, as always, the selection criteria or features window appears, in which we opt for Selection by Code, designating the slope head code. It selects 384 points for us, and we accept. We are going to do the same with a group we shall call Foot Slope. We accept and opt for By Code Foot Slope in the Selection Criteria window. We now have another 327 selected points. We are now going to proceed to change the format for each group in the MDT Points Change Format menu, establishing groups and changing the characteristics of each group of points, type of point or color, and the rest of the features. Well, you can see that only the points in the head group have been changed, so we are now going to repeat the procedure for the group of foot slope points. We accept, and the format of the foot slope code points has now been changed.